Hello, my name is Tim, and today I'm going to tell you about insects. There are a million kinds of insects, a million insects in the world. And now, what insect do you know? Insects are animal, but insect is an animal that has no backbone. It is an invertebrate. Insects are ladybugs, grasshoppers, mantis, and other invertebrates, or snails, and other animals that have no backbones. Now, insects can divide into many groups, or animals that have 6 legs, or ladybugs, grasshoppers, mantis, and a lot more, and beetles too. Moth, and butterfly. Animals that have 8 legs, or scorpions and spiders. Scorpions have a sting on top, on its tail, and if you have a lucky day, when you saw a scorpion, you might saw a white drop of water on its sting. That is the poison. There are millions of kinds of spiders too.
Species
of spiders. There might be a lot more. Some spiders have 8 legs, and some have 8 eyes or 6 eyes. Some spiders have venom, but some have not. In the world, more spiders are unvenomous, but less spiders are venomous. And some spiders bite a human, and after some minutes a human dies. Like a black widow spider, a human can die from a black widow spider. And animals that have a lot of legs, like millipedes, centipedes, and centipedes. This kind of a lot of legs animal look like a swimming centipede. If you have a lucky day, you can find it swimming. It moves its legs and it moves in the water. It moves its legs fast, like parachute swimming. And look closely at its leg. Its leg is hard, and it is made of a protected armor, and its body have a protected armor too. Centipedes have 2 legs on each side section, and millipedes have 4 legs, have 2 legs on 4 legs on each side section. Yeah, centipedes are really fast and it has venom. When it bites, its venom goes into the human body, so the human die. Millipedes don't have venom, but I heard some of my friends say that millipedes have venom. This kind of animal roll into a circle when it needs protection. When it rolls into a circle, there is a smelly smell. That animal will run away. Then the millipede will just turn back into its normal size and just walk. Millipede is vegetable, but centipedes eat meat. Centipede is the carnivore. You know it? And do you know that which is the most insects that which group of insects is the most? The beetles. There are 1,000 kinds of beetles that scientists haven't discovered yet. Beetle can be in different shapes. Insect can be everywhere, but not at a cold place. Some animals even survive in cold place, like ants. Only some species of ants survive in cold places. Like only big ants can survive in the cold places. Grasshoppers even survive in cold places, like a soil grasshopper. This kind of grasshopper have spikes behind its legs to dig the snow and live underground. Under the ground is very dark, but a lot of food to eat. When something is trapped in under the ground, the grasshopper will eat it, but there's not enough to eat. There's a lot more of solid grasshopper want to eat. So before they want to eat all, they'll have to fight. If one of them is stronger, the stronger one can eat the meal, but the weaker one can't. Actually, cold places and small grasshoppers can survive in cold places, but not. The wind is cold there, but on the ground you just only see white. They're not really slow. They're not really snow. They are just white sand. Some people say that at that place it has snow, but the weather is cold. But all the white things on the ground is not snow. They are just white sands. There's one kind of ant that can survive in cold places, but I don't remember its name. Beetles. Beetle is the most insect group, and it might be a lot of beetles.
Most popular insect group.
Most popular insect, and the second one comes the butterfly and the moth. Butterfly and moth are popular too, but there's a lot of them. Butterfly mouth is strange. It looks like a straw and it drinks nectar from the flowers. Some butterflies taste nectar by its legs. Moth, even butterfly and moth can talk. They just use their senses. A hawk moth can use its antenna to speak with the other one. It can use its antenna to smell too. A hornet have two big eyes in front of it to look at night, and an antenna used to feel animals, to feel other insects around. And but some people say that bees have only 2 eyes, but not. It has 5 eyes, 3 eyes on its head. Those are called extra eyes. These eyes help the hornet see much better when it's night to hunt prey. Some insects lay eggs, but some are not. More insects in the world, more insects lay eggs than the insects that don't lay eggs. Scorpions don't lay eggs. They have babies on their mother backs, and the baby scorpions travel on their mother's back. But a butterfly, when a female butterfly just laid an egg, when the egg hatched, it didn't become another butterfly. It became a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats so much that it becomes a pupa. In a few days, the pupa hatched and it becomes an adult butterfly. The adult butterfly just lay egg again and it becomes a pattern.
Life cycle.
Now, beetle is the most popular insect. Then come butterfly and moth. The third one is the fly. Fly eat a lot of things, but fly lunch is always liquid. It can be this sauce, jam, and other kind of liquids, but not water. They are boring for flies. No, I don't mean this sauce. Fly is liquid. Lunch is liquid, but it has to be sweet. Flies also have sugar because it likes sweet. And there are a lot of kinds of mantis too. So the one that I know is the wonder violent mantis. This kind of mantis can camouflage, but it looks like a leaf. It arranged by each other. And this kind of mantis, that if you found this kind of mantis, just look it for an hour. You will just you will just found it just staring at you and staring at something. That means it got the name Wonder. And the name Violent got that it looked like a violin. So it got the name Wonder Violent Mantis. And this is the most scary insect, cockroach. This kind of insect that my mom is scared of most. Cockroach. Cockroach can live without a head. It breathes with holes on its body, and its shell is very hard. Not even a stomp from my mom's foot couldn't kill it. It's just still alive because it can live for a long, long time. And that is something I can tell you about insects. Thank you for listening. Good night.